வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium. Unit 14 Acids, Bases and Salts. Textbook exercises. Choose the correct answer. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus dash gas. Answer hydrogen H2 gas. Apple contains malic acid, orange contains dash. Answer ascorbic acid. Acids in plants and animals are organic acids, whereas acids in rocks and minerals are dash, inorganic acids. Acids turn blue litmus paper to dash, red. Since metal carbonate and metal bicarbonates are basic, they react with acids to give salt and water with the liberation of dash. Answer carbon dioxide CO2. The hydrated salt of copper sulfate has dash color, blue color. Answer briefly. Classify the various types of acids based on their sources. Answer organic acids. Acids present in plants and animals are organic acids. Example HCOOH, CH3COOH. Inorganic acids. Acids prepared from rocks and minerals are inorganic acids or mineral acids. Example HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. Write any four uses of acids. Answer sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. Hydrochloric acid is used as a cleaning agent in toilets. Carbonic acid is used in aerated drinks. Tartaric acid is a constituent of baking powder. Give the significance of pH of soil in agriculture. pH of soil. Citrus fruits require slightly alkaline soil. Rice requires acidic soil. Sugarcane requires neutral soil. What are the various uses of aqua regia? It is used chiefly to dissolve metals such as gold and platinum. It is used for cleaning and refining gold. What are the uses of plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris is used for plastering bones. It is used for making casts or for statues. Sixth question. Two acids A and B are given. Acid A gives one hydrogen ion per molecule of the acid in solution. Acid B gives two hydrogen ions per molecule of the acid in solution. Find out the acid A and acid B. Answer A is HCl, hydrochloric acid. B is H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Which acid is called the king of chemicals? H2SO4 is called the king of chemicals. That is sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals. Define aqua regia. Answer aqua regia is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid prepared optimally in a molar ratio of 3:1. Correct the mistakes. A. Washing soda is used for making cakes and bread soft spongy. B. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate is used in textile industry for bleaching clothes. Answer A. Baking powder is used for making cakes and bread soft spongy. B. For answer B. Calcium oxychloride is used in textile industry. Ninth question. What is neutralization reaction? Give an example. Answer. The reaction between a base and an acid is known as neutralization reaction. Example. Bases react with acids to form salt and water. KOH plus HCl gives KCl plus H2O. Answer in detail. Question number 1. Differentiate hydrate and anhydrous with examples. Anhydrous salts that do not contain water of crystallization are called anhydrous salt. They are generally found as powders. Hydrated salts. Many salts are found as crystals with water molecules. Salts that contain water of crystallization are called hydrated salts. The number of molecules of water hydrated to a salt is indicated after a dot in chemical formula. Example: copper sulfate CuSO4 5H2O crystal have 5 molecules of water for each molecule of copper sulfate. Second question: give the tests to identify acids and bases. Test with a litmus paper. Answer: an acid turns blue litmus paper into red. A base turns red litmus paper into blue. B. Test with an indicator phenolphthalein. In acid medium, phenolphthalein is colorless. In basic medium, phenolphthalein is pink in color. C. Test with an indicator methyl orange. In acid medium, methyl orange is pink in color. In basic medium, methyl orange is yellow in color. Acid base indicator litmus color in acid blue to red, color in base red to blue. Phenolphthalein color in acid colorless, color in base pink. Indicator methyl orange, color in acid pink, and color in base it is yellow. Then third question, write any 4 uses of bases. Sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap. Calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing or building. Magnesium hydroxide is used as a medicine for stomach disorder. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains from clothes. Then fourth question, write any 5 uses of salts. Common salt is used in our daily food and is used as a preservative. Washing soda is used in softening hot water. Baking soda is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Bleaching powder is used as disinfectant. Plaster of Paris is used for plastering wounds. Then fifth question, sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals. Why it is so called so? Answer: sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals because it is used in the preparation of many other compounds. Thank you.